Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Kärcher K5 Power Control Home Pressure Washer. This comes with a few accessories, as you can see illustrated in here. It has an app. Probably you can do updates, or we'll just have to see. There's a trigger gun with pressure level display, right? The back of it is like a trolley, so you could carry it around easily. The kit and the accessories in the box are a 10-meter hose, power control gun, a dirt blaster plus 100 power, Vario power jet, and then it has the home kit as well, and that contains a surface cleaner, an extension of 0.4 meters, and 1 liter stone and facade cleaner. And then in terms of features, it says that it displays of pressure levels and detergent mode, easy hose storage around the back, I guess, or front, accessory storage, then plug and clean, so you can actually plug and clean on the top. And then telescopic handle for ergonomic pulling height, and then hose guidance for easy handling. And I want to show you something else as well. So let me see if I can find that. So you can actually, I'll show you when I open it. So yeah, let's get into it and open it. So let's get into it. So you get some instructions in here, which will be very useful even for me. Okay, so that's that home cleaning tool. Obviously it's not easy to open, so let's see if we can open it like this, so I can show you guys. So it's quite big, yeah, so that should pour water through, and use this brush, and that's the connector. Moves around, and you can have it hard or soft, so you just move around. Yeah, so let's take this aside. Let's see what else. I guess this goes on the back, so you could actually put the accessories on. So we'll keep that for later. Wheels, some more accessories. So you get the stone and paving cleaner, really useful to have. So we can remove. Not too sure what is all this. I will figure it out. Some of the cleaning heads, or how you want to call them. That's the extension. Yeah, so it's quite a bit to it. That's the smart handle. It shows you the modes. And then should display some information here when connected. Yeah, Kärcher. And then the Kärcher itself, ladies and gentlemen. Let me open and take it out. quite heavy. I'll show you in just a bit. It's just that's all the space allows me to. So I need to move the box away. And maybe this as well. So we have another wheel and this mesh, which we'll have to see what it is for. And there you have it, guys. So first of all, I just want to see if the plug is removable, and it's not. Well, that's the plug is pretty long, and it's a UK plug. And then that's the hose, goes in here on the back, like so. Definitely heavy, serious machine. And that's the hose. So I guess that's where the instructions will become handy. I'll try and put this together and show you the end result. Guys, I'm back. It took about 30 minutes to put together. The instructions were really good, actually. So let me just take you through. So this was through the back, and I had to drag it through the front like this, from there through there. Yeah, it needs to be in the front. I had to install the handle, 2 screws, and the handle, let me just drag it, goes like this. Yeah, you can put the cable around here, I guess, maybe the water hose, or even the power cable. The power cable I've just tucked in like that in the back. I've installed the wheels. They are secured by 2 screws. What else I've done? This one I've installed it in the front. That's for your accessories. Yeah, it was pretty much straightforward. This one as well, it's an adapter for your garden hose. So that's where the water goes through. And then this is where you put your cleaning soap here. That's where the power button is. That's on and off. And then, so then you take this and you plug that in. Let me see, I was able to do it earlier. I guess that's why it has this little not sure if you have to press that on. Okay, I was able to do it earlier, but I can no longer do it. It's also because that's unbelievable. Yeah, I don't know how it's arc. So yeah, it does go with that. Yeah, make sure it's in. I'm not gonna be able to demonstrate anything today. And then let's take this. So for example, this one, I guess, is to make it larger. It's like an adapter, I guess. So I don't have a clue how you install it. That's why it's good to read the instructions. I guess this one you just lock it in place somehow. Yeah, like that. So it has a locking mechanism, and then you secure it like that. That make it a bit longer. So then you have your 2 nozzles, same system. So push in. And then secure in place. Yeah. And it shows as well in here, hard, medium, soft, and mix with bubbles. It becomes like a proper tool. Pretty long, 2 meters. So then let's say you don't want to use this, push down, unlock and remove, and then you install your other accessory. Same. Yeah, and everything is controlled by this. That's why I like this. Is very long to show you. So now everything is controlled by this. So at the moment the weather is not very good. You can even lock it in place thanks to this. So let's just take this down. I'm not gonna be able to show you because the weather is not great and it gets darker very fast. You see, it shows you need a hard, soft. So it seems like you can. Okay, this one has a little mechanism in here as well. You release it, it's hard, soft. And then the last but not least is this. And then again it's same. Push it in position, you turn, and then you just use it like this. Looking forward to use it. When I get the chance, I will probably record that as well. But for now, that's all I got. And then again, hard, soft, so you just turn the dial as you need it. So yeah guys, you don't need to use this adapter because it makes it quite long. So you can use it without, like you can just install this straight in, like so, and that's it. I think that's how I'm gonna use it. I don't really need that long adapter. I'm just not cleaning something else which requires a distance. But yeah, there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to explain you enough. So yeah, that's all you get. I think you're getting a lot for your money. The product itself, it's heavy. It looks like it's definitely good quality. Actually, before I end the video, let me just see if I can figure out how you store this in here. Have a quick look at the box. So it looks like this goes like that somehow, and then looks like your other, I don't know if all of them, but that will go in there, and I don't think, maybe like that. Well, I guess, let's see, kind of. They don't obviously show all that, and then you can easily take it around whenever you need, because it is heavy. And I would probably put this around here somewhere, somehow. Not too sure. You have to be careful not to break the cable. So what I would probably do, I would try to remove this. I have to leave that down, and I might just try something like this, and that will hold that as well in place. And then you can, the only thing I don't like is like this is in the way, but then that's how you have everything in one place. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it.